Okay, so next thing it tells us is that P10K, which we just found, which we just used, is on the bisector of the angles between L1, which we used a second ago, and L2, which is 5x plus 12y minus 20. Okay, so in the last one there, we had that we found 3x minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 is our L1, and L2 is this one here, which is 5x plus 12y minus 20 equal to 0. And what we know is that the distance P here is exactly the same from L1 and L2. We've already found the distance out to L1 to be 18 minus 4k over 5. So we're going to repeat that again, but from the other line. Okay, so we're going to take the absolute value of 5 times 10. So just copying exactly what I did a second ago for the part B by 12 times k minus 20 all over the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. And we know that that has to equal the distance we just found a second ago. So both of these need to be exactly the same. Okay, so 5 tens is 50, 50 minus 20 is 30. So 30 plus 12k all over 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144, square root of 169, which is 13, is equal to 18 minus 4k over 5. Okay, so now I have two absolute values, so the easiest thing to do here is I will take plus or minus one of these. Okay, so I'm going to say 5 times 30 plus 12k, dropping my absolute values, is equal to, so bringing up the 13. Now first of all I'm going to say plus or minus 13 times 18 minus 4k. Okay, so this plus or minus now is taking care of the fact that they both have absolute values. So it doesn't matter what, so basically it could have been a plus and a minus, it could have been a plus and a plus, it could have been a minus and a plus, or it could have been a minus and a minus. But all those options there are taken care of by a plus and a minus, like that. Okay, so now what we need to do next of all then is do each of these separately. Okay, so just multiplying this out, we get 100 and so we'll do, well, yeah, so 150 plus 60k is equal to, we'll do the plus version, which is 234 minus 52k, and then we'll repeat the same thing again with a minus 13. So it'll be 150 plus 60k equal to minus 234 plus 52k. Okay, so sorting these out then, this one over here is going to give me 112k equal to 84, which will leave me that k is equal to 84 over 112, which is equal to 3 over 4. Over here we'll have 60 minus 52, which will be 8k, which is equal to minus 384. So then k will be minus 384 over 8. So k will be equal to minus 48. Okay, so again, the whole idea was that the distance here was equal to the distance here. Okay, so that's exactly what you did. You put the two distances equal to each other. Okay, so there's your two possible values of k, minus 3/4 or k to be minus 48.